Here we have a steam drum. This one is an HP steam drum, HP standing for high pressure. The pressure is well over 1,000 PSI. 1,507.5 to be exact. So it's under extreme pressure. And halfway up, you got a water level on the bottom half, so your valves down here, if they're leaking, they will be leaking hot water. Anything above the halfway point, the water level, will be leaking steam, which is what we're leaking on this valve here that goes to a level transmitter. So we got to get that freeze protection off, and then we will tighten the packing up.
It came back in. Cleared and came back in.
You can hear the steam flowing through the packing. Okay, as you can see, as the steam is coming out, it's condensing. I'm going to do a slow motion video to show it better. As you can see from this slow motion video, as the high pressure hot steam flows past the packing leak, it condenses as it touches the cooler environment and turns to water droplets. I wanted to show you something I like about this Crescent wrench. It's actually a Husky brand, so it's not an expensive one. But in a situation where you don't know what size wrench you're going to need, you can use this Crescent wrench, and you can find out what size bolt it has, and then you're able to go get the correct wrench, and it just saves you time of trying to use a tape measure. It has the actual ruler on the base. On one side it's got inch measurement, the other side it has millimeters. Something to note on this one is there's lots of room for the packing to move. Packing gland has at least a ½ inch it can still go down. I'm going to use the Crescent wrench and see what size we got. Looks like a 17 millimeter. Use some WD-40 on the packing gland bolt. Tighten down nice and evenly. It looks like this side's a little high, so I'm going to go a couple on this one. This one still looks high. Okay, we tightened our packing. Everything looks nice and even. The valve is really hot. There's still a little moisture, and that moisture is flashing off. Give you one last look at it. And now it's nice and quiet. Putting the freeze protection back on. Tools required: Crescent wrench, boxed in wrench, gloves, WD-40, and pliers to remove freeze protection. As you can see, very minimal tools are needed to tighten packing. So if you're walking around, see some packing needing tightened, tighten it up. Doesn't take very long.
It'll do our future cells a favor. We won't have to replace valves, and not replacing valves saves money. P.S. Steam is hot. Wear insulated gloves. It makes it easier.